Alrighty guys, so there you have it, the new project build for the channel. It's a 2008 Suzuki RM125. I'm super excited for this build. As you know, I just finished my RM250 and I absolutely love the RMs. Super excited to dive into this one. Bit of a backstory on this. So I've had this for about 6 months or so. I picked it up for 500 bucks off Facebook Marketplace. A few things that's wrong with it. First up, I'll show you guys the bike. Yeah, so it's actually got some good parts on it. It's got some big oversized radiators that are brand new. And then it's got some Renthal fat bars with a Pro Taper bar pad for some reason. And then the guy said it's had a new top end put on it. You can see the new gasket, but we'll be stripping down the whole engine because, as you know, the RMs do have a shift fork problem. So yeah, the bike's stuck in gear, so we need to strip the engine fully down just to the cases and have a look what's going on inside the gearbox. But you know, nothing we can't fix. And then it's got a Pro Circuit silencer, so we'll just pull that sticker off, give it a good clean up, and then put a new sticker on it. It's got black rear fender. These side panels are just the stock ones that have been cut down and spray painted, but we've got new black ones of those that I'll show you later on. This has got the SDG USA seat. This was actually the one off my 250 that we just put on here, because I got the other one for it. It's got an RHK shifter. But yeah, the bike just needs a good overall tidy up. Like, the forks have been spray painted. The triple clamps all like broken. So a good way to fix that is to cut the tab off here, and then you lower it down, and then we'll just clean that up with a file. So pretty much we've just lowered the stop down, because as you can see, that stops just going straight over it. So yeah, if we lower it down, then it'll be functional again. And then obviously no front tire. The spokes all feel tight, so that's all good. The expansion chamber's a bit rusty, heaps of dents in it. Kickstarter sitting the exhaust. It's got no mounts on it. Yeah, big dents there, so need to replace that. Frame's been spray painted, so we'll get that powder coated. Just give everything a good buff up, clean up the brake pedal, clean up the swing arm. The spokes on the rear wheel are a bit loose, so we'll give them a tighten up. Probably won't rebuild the wheels. And yeah, sprocket might need replacing. And then the chain adjuster bolt snapped, so we need to get that out. The airbox has been riveted together, but we'll probably just leave that because it's still functional. Go through the carb, give that a good clean out. Yeah, and like I said, we'll pull the motor completely down, see what's going on inside there. But it's a good base to build around from. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to get into this one. So I've actually already started collecting parts for the build. So I'll give you a run through what we've already got. Alrighty, so we've got the restyle front end off an RMZ 250, 450. So yeah, just drill some holes in the fender, and then that just bolts up. Then the front number plate is just normal mounting. Just mounts onto the triple clamp. Then, like I mentioned, the expansion chamber's all dented up and needs replacing. So since we've got the Pro Circuit silencer, we've gone ahead and bought a Pro Circuit Platinum. So it's brand new. So yeah, that'll look pretty good on there. Needs a bit of a polish up because it's got smudges and stuff all over it. And then, knowing that the transmission's gone bad, we've just gone ahead and bought some new transmission bearings. So we'll chuck them in there while the cases are split. Just a peace of mind thing that I like to do when rebuilding full engines. And then another thing I mentioned, the white side panels have just been spray painted and cut. So cutting them down there is quite common. It makes the bikes look modern. So yeah, we're going to replace that with some Polysport black side panels. So they're actually black plastic, and then yeah, we'll probably end up cutting them for the modern look. And then we've got some factory FX, just the stock graphics to put on the front, just to keep it looking nice, instead of doing a full-blown graphics kit. So if I'm not mistaken, these graphics are off the 05 RMs, but in my opinion these are the best looking graphics from stock. The 08s were a blue, I think, and they had a blue seat cover, but that's not going to really match or go with the theme of the bike, being like black and yellow and then having just blue. So yeah, we've opted for the 05 style graphics, and that's just going to look a lot better, I reckon. So yeah, that's the first bunch of parts we've got for it. It's not going to be a crazy build like my 250, but definitely going to still be exciting. So there'll be a lot of learning involved for me and you guys, no doubt. And yeah, definitely great content. So I'm going to be filming only a few videos, not like every video specific for a certain part or everything like I did for my 250. It's going to be a more all-round type build where I just show actually building it, not everything, if that made sense. So yeah, if you guys are just as excited as I am for the 125 build, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow us over on Instagram, MotivatedNZ. And yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. Just a short one, giving you guys a rundown of the new build and what's the go with it. So next video we'll be stripping it down. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.